A big update coming in within the story we are receiving from our top Congress sources. They have revealed to CNN News 18 that Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge are completely fed up of Sam Pitroda and have asked him to step down. Congress did not want a racist tag with them. We have our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh joining us on the phone line. Pallavi, a very good morning to you. The kind of remarks that Sam Pitroda has made in the past, be that on the Ram Temple inheritance tax, maybe the 1984 riots, or if we would to say the Pulwama attack as well, it has left Congress red-faced and embarrassed at several instances. Perhaps that's the reason why party top brass has now decided to abandon him.
Yes, and he yesterday stepped down as the chairperson of the Indian Overseas Congress. And if you look at the statement which came in from the party, it said that the Congress president immediately accepted his resignation. Well, what we were clearly told was that he was asked to step down because the Congress realized that one needs to draw a line. His earlier comments on the inheritance tax, hua to hua, is something which the Congress wants to make it a part of history. But this one, just on the threshold of elections, where you clearly are talking about racism, where you're talking about South Indians looking like Africans, the Northeast like Chinese, and the proximity of Pitroda to the Gandhis, that's the most damaging part. Therefore, he was asked to step down. Both Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Kharge made it very clear that we have to now draw a line. Enough is enough. There's just no way that we can continue in official position and the party can keep on saying we're distancing ourselves. And that explains the reason why he was asked to step down, which he did.
Definitely. Pallavi, thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial updates coming in straight from our Congress sources. Right now, we are shifting focus to some more political reactions coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at those as well.
At every occasion, every foreign trip with Sam Pitroda, Rahul Gandhi tears down India, tears down our judiciary, tears down our constitution. And this is the man today who has the temerity to say in such racist and disgusting terms that North Indians are whites, East Indians are Chinese, South Indians are Africans, and Indians in the west of India are Arabs. This is the divisive, this is the deeply racist and deeply shameless approach to idea of India at a time when Rahul Gandhi spouts Bharat Jodo Yatra, Mohabbat Ki Dukaan.
Say that the northeastern people are like Chinese, and South Indians are like Africans, and West Indians are like Arabs, and North Indians are whites. This is a hugely damaging statement. Now, somewhere in the minds of the people, this particular statement will work as a poison to weaken our Indian civilization, the so-called beautiful unity in diversity, how we are working together as an Indian. But this dangerous and very damaging statement is a very repulsive statement.
जितना शर्मनाक है वो देश को तोड़ने के अलावा विभाजन करने की कोशिश के अलावा कांग्रेस दिशाहीन है, ना नेता है कोई, ना नेतृत्व है, ना नीति है या ना नियत है, कोई सकारात्मक सोच नहीं है, कोई विजन नहीं है।
मुझे लगता है कि सैम पिट्रोडा राहुल गांधी के गुरु हैं और कभी वो गालियां देते हैं, कभी दक्षिण भारत उत्तर भारत में बांटते हैं। ये भारत का अपमान है। अगर ऐसी बातें वो की है तो राहुल गांधी को, सोनिया गांधी को देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए।